Hey friends, if you encounter the error no speakers or headphones are plugged in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, this error may say anything, but we will check at our own accord. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then you can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and then select troubleshoot, and then click on other troubleshooters and then select run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Usually it will pick up the audio devices. Go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side and select devices in the right pane. It will show all the connected devices and it might also show your microphone. Okay, now once this is sorted, the next thing that you can do is go to the system tab, select sound, and then go to the input one, the microphone one, and then you can check if it's working here. Okay, and obviously you can update the audio drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar, open device manager, expand the list for audio inputs and outputs, right click on the first one and update the drivers, right click on the second one and update the drivers, and simultaneously update all the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.